Hello guys, welcome to another how to build React application from the scratch video. In this video we'll add new to-dos or new tasks to our application. Alright, this is going to be a short and straightforward video where we'll be adding tasks manually from our code. I know this does not make our application interactive, but we'll handle that in the forthcoming videos, so stay with me. Let's jump right into the application. So in our previous video we were at this stage and our app is still running. Now let's get rid of this code right here and put anything, my to-dos, and save it and see. Alright, so my to-dos. So this is our first change. As we'll be coding in TypeScript and React, I'm gonna have to rename the app.js file into app.tsx, which is our TypeScript extension. You can see now our app is looking for app.js, but we don't have app.js anymore. I want to change this functional component into React class component. It takes some parameters. As of now, you can just put any, and every component has its render function. It returns something. What you want to return is the thing that you want to see in the UI. So return, let's just return a div element and get rid of this thing. So save it, and so we're gonna have to import React as well. Save it, npm start. Alright, so I'm done with my installing process. Now I'm gonna run my app. Npm start. Promising. Oh, awesome. Alright, yep, here's my to-dos and it's running. Here is my to-dos. So basically whatever is inside the render function, that's displayed, and there has to be only one HTML element. We have a div right now. There has to be only one. It can be h1, it can be anything, but just single HTML element. So you might be wondering what you want to do if you want to return like multiple elements, like this one, React. S2 would be React+2, and when you try to save it, I already got another error. The JSX expression must have one parent element, but we have here two. So in this case, no, that's the only case. So it might contain whole bunch of other tags. So what we need to do is wrap them inside the HTML element. So take that div here. So if you save it, there is no error, and there might be hundreds of tags, but all the tags has to be wrapped inside one HTML tag. It can be h1, it can be anything that you like. So now if we go there, so yep, that's supposed to be React anyways. Yep. Now I want to come over and create a new file, to-do list, tsx. Now it's gonna be same import all over. Now create a class component, class to-do list. Going to bar, let's say that's our list. Now we need to export this component, default to-do list. Exporting the component basically means that now your component can be used anywhere in your application. Now we're gonna need some constructor because we're gonna need some state. Now this dot state will be the object of arrays of my to-dos list, which is arrays. As we go further, we'll be adding to-dos list on this array. Why is there a prop implicitly has any type? So now this is the difference between React and TypeScript, or you can say JavaScript and TypeScript. In React, if you were just using JavaScript, the to-do was fine, but you wouldn't know where this to-do is coming from. So we need to give the type of the to-dos. So for that we need to create this interface, int interface I state would be to-dos. Let's say it's a string at the moment, but it's not really string. and the prop is a type of any. Now we don't have any errors. So this state is coming from this state. So still there is some error because our component is not taking any state. So we need to pass our state. Okay, so why we're getting error? Oh, it's because I got TODs to do. Like if you get rid of this, it will just automatically pop up. This dot state would be, now if you just put two, to-dos is up there, and as this is a string, you are initializing the state of this component as empty string. So this component will reflect all the to-dos, and let's just get rid of this. And so here will be my header to-dos. So there will be my list of all the to-dos. Like, alright, now we can see our application. Whoops, it's only reflecting the one that we have created in app.tsx, because we created this, we exported to-do list, but we are not exporting in this application because app.tsx is our main application. We need to import that file. So we are importing this file now, to-do list. So watch out what you do with the syntax right here. For the HTML element, you put the slash right before the div, but here this is a component, another HTML element, so we are putting the slash right at the end. Now if we save it and see, so yeah, that's my to-dos and going to study playing soccer. Alright guys, that's a wrap to our video. Hope you are enjoying the ride. Please do your thing, like, comment, and of course subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.